how to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. This tutorial shows you how to move your photos and videos between Google accounts. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, tap on Photo Settings from the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap on Partner Sharing or Sharing. In the next step, tap on Get Started to set up partner sharing. Following this, select the Google account you want to share photos with. Once done, choose which photos to share, all photos or photos of specific people. From here, tap Next and then Send Invitation to the other account. At this stage, on your second account, open Google Photos and accept the invitation. After this, the shared photos will appear in your second account's library. Once completed, you can save them permanently by adding them to your library. Alternatively, you can use Google Takeout to download all photos from one account and manually upload them to another account through photos.google.com. And that's it. If this photo transfer guide helped you move your Google Photos, give it a like, subscribe for more Google Photos tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.